Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with entry number 22 in my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. And let's see who this entry is from. Wow, woo, woo, woo. Okay, look at how beautiful. Choose happy, and it has this crab, and maybe this is seaweed, but look at the paper. It has flip-flops on it. So cute. And this envelope is stuffed with goodies. Oh, this is cute. And look at this beautiful Memorydex. It is layered with all kinds of goodness. You can see flowers here, heart layers. This says paradise. There's a rainbow. It says hello sunshine. See this palm tree back here. Some tickets. Beach bag. It says you are loved. This happy note. Fun. Lots of funness. See. And this is from Kimberly Cochran. She is Kimberly Cochran here on YouTube, and I will leave the link in my description box below so you can go to her channel and check her out. She's from California. She was born in November, and her crafty style is clean and functional. Thank you so much. I love this entry. Thank you, thank you. And then, oh, look at this. What is this? There's a cute little belly band and flip-flops. Oh, so cute. It's like a mini pocket letter. How fun. So in this pocket, she's got some flip-flops with this flower, and then she's got the blowhorn, beach party, summer, and then she's included some gifts. Oh, thank you very, very much. Her favorite vacation spot is Hawaii. Yeah, right now, I'd take that. They're opening back up in Hawaii, I believe August 1st. And if you've taken a COVID test 3 days before, at least 3 days prior to your flight, you can waive your quarantine time when you arrive in Hawaii. You won't have to quarantine if you've taken that COVID before you've left. You'll have to show your test results, of course, to the airlines. But yeah. Oh, wow. Check this out. Oh, this is her card. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kimberly. This is fun. And then she's included a couple of cards that I can use. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at how cute. I love the colors. So bright and cheery. Thank you, thank you. And then, oh, hello sunshine. I love it. Thank you so much. I will definitely use those. So again, this is entry 22. I am wrapping up my challenge. It does end June 30th, which is coming up pretty quickly here. And so stay tuned for the winners shortly. I'm going to do a drawing on July 3rd. And thank you for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a crafty weekend. And until the next video, shakas.